Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepared for it today. Good day to each and everyone. Today, we are about to witness the moving up ceremony of kindergarten learners of Tarlac Central Elementary School through this virtual presentation. To start with, may I ask everyone to stay silent for our opening prayer.
Lord, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito na muli kaming sinaman sa aming pagtitipon. Naway ikaw po, Lord, ang manguna sa bawat desisyon na aming gagawin at tanging kaloob mo lamang ang manguna dito. Salamat po sa lahat ng kaligtasan at patuloy niyong paggabay sa amin sa araw-araw. Manatili po sana ang aming mabuting gawain sa aming kapwa lahat po ng ito ay aming dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Nanggalang no OIC Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Maria Carmen B. Puente. OIC Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Michelle A. Mejica. EPSPR in charge of kindergarten, Dr. Rosauro S. Perez. Dr. Rene Pilat, Public Schools District Supervisor. Dr. Sunita T. Madaya, Head Teacher, Tarlac West Central Elementary School. Barangay Chairman, Honorable Georgian B. Biray, Madam Grace T. Mga guro ng kindergarten sa pamumuno ni Dr. Regina Sol Bacato, mga magulang at mga mag-aaral sa kindergarten, magandang umaga at magandang buhay. Bawat simula ay may pagtatapos, subalit ang bawat pagtatapos ay hindi tanda ng pagtigil o paghinto. Ito ay tanda ng panibagong punto ng pagkilos at paghahanda. Nakaranas tayo ng pandemya na COVID. Tayo ay nahinto, subalit hinahambang upang ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan. Ngayong araw, kayo ay magtatapos at tatawaging movers para lalong magkaroon ng kakayanan sa susunod na yugto ng inyong pag-aaral. Maligayang bati, nawa ang Panginoon ang patuloy na gumabay sa inyong pagtahak sa susunod na bahagdan ng inyong buhay pag-aaral. Gabayan nawa kayo ng Diyos at pagpalain. Maraming salamat.
Kinder B. Advisor, Ella B. Castañeda. Domingo Jason, Patient Advocate Award, Naturalist Award. Abalos Lester P. Good Communicator Award, Great Giver Award. Curado Alfred M. Extra Miler Award, Sporty Kid Award. Lopez John Ray C. Hit Kid Award, Good Sport Award. Lungayan Clef Patrick, Eager Beaver Award. Maniego Jewel S. Good Sport Award. Ocampo P. Vincent L. Star Reader Award, War Giver Award, Little Teacher Award. Reyes Matthew D. Eager Beaver Award. Torales Lake Josh D. Good Sport Award. Garcia Eliza Body Mathematician Award, Honest Kid Award. Avila R&D Brave Soul Award. Namabung Denise Scarlett A. Awesome Artist Award, Kinder Curious Award, Task Champ Award. Navarro Rania M. Honest Kid Award. Malyari Alexandria C. Young Dancer Award, Self-Care Award, Exuberant Heart Award. Dulce Sejan Kindergarten Red. Advisor, Virginia D. Velasco. Bondok Nathan V. Eager Beaver Award. Daos Dexter L. Friendly Neighbor Award. Isena Cedric James A. Friendly Neighbor Award. Diaz Alexis, Batang Maasahan Award of Courtesy Award. Gakuya Brian Jr. L. Happy Helper Award. Loterinya Jonathan T. Eager Beaver Award. Meledrito Daibo Jibril L. Eager Beaver Award. Mercado Rafael Francois P. Badi Matimachan Award, Golden Heart Award. Echan Kyle Marley M. Eager Beaver Award, Happy Helper Award. Raiso Kyle Dempsey S. Friendly Neighbor Award. Peralta Harley Joseph B. Eager Beaver Award, Golden Heart Award. Ferbiano Romarkson Kyrie C. Eager Beaver Award. Villarico Jeremy L. Star Reader Award, Badi Mathematician Award, Good Communicator Award, Second Place, District Level, Territory. Reynosa Armel D. Awesome Artist Award, Good Communicator Award. Katakutan Faya Alvera D. Good Kid. David Chalin, Awesome Artist Award, Golden Award. Ferrer Jesse May S. Awesome Artist Award, Star Reader Award, Good Communicator Award. First place, District Level, Draw and Tell. Second place, Division Level, Draw and Tell. Ferrer Meacher May W. Friendly Neighbor Award. Donoso Murea E. Friendly Neighbor Award. Malyari Joanna Venici, Eager Beaver Award. Pasco Altea Rain C. Eager Beaver Award, Golden Heart Award. Pineda Alexa Joy S. Bading Mathematician Award, Good Communicator Award, Eager Beaver Award, Second Place, District Level, Tanra. Kiambao LJ Faye L. Star Reader Award, Eager Beaver Award. Samson Aldrea Lilane, Naturalist Award, Eager Beaver Award. Tubay Aliana Joy B. Dancer Award. Kinder Silver, Advisor, Regina Sol Art. Lindo Jared V. Star Reader Award, Word Weaver Award, Naturalist Award, Batang Masigasig Award. Yango James Mark D. Kinder Curious Award, Self-Care Award, Determined Kid Award. Milia Sean Cyrus A. Bading Mathematician Award, Batang Maasahan Award. Villarico Yurili T. Sporty Kid Award, Prudent Worker Award. Abaya Mark Ivan T. Batang Matapan Award. De La Cruz Z. Aidan J.D. Kinder Body Award. De La Cruz Sam Jamel Ray D. BCB Award. Agustin Ken Curdy T. Dizon Johan Cyrus A. Peacemaker Award. Gonzalez Jemay Seth N. Brave Soul Award. Liano Braden Odds G. Golden Heart Award. Gatchalian Philip G. Batang Matapat Award. Martinez John Paul A. Honest Kid Award. Soriano Cody Michael M. Cheerful Soul Award. Aquino Chrislyn C. Great Giver Award. Agustin Chris C. Out of the Shell Award. Binuya Candice Lorraine P. Exuberant Heart Award. Esteban Jovel M. Eager Beaver Award. Miranda Jewel Ritz T. Enthusiastic Learner Award. Orange, Advisor, Madam Eva P. Romero. Aki Justin Clay UMB, DCB Award. Bagsik Idler S, Star Reader Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Kinder Leader Award, Young Singer Award. Castillo Sean Marie Edmar I, DCB Award. Di Guzman Danilo R, Sporty Kid Award, Batang Maasahan Award. De la Cruz Sejan Hanier and Brave Soul Award. Medina Ivan A, Sporty Kid Award, Extra Miler Award, Star Reader Award. Ratay Andrian A, Enthusiastic Learner Award. Sarmiento Adam Isaiah A, Student Worker Award, Star Reader Award, Awesome Award. Sosa Prince Albert B, Budding Mathematician Award, Happy Helper Award. Viloria Brian D, Friendly Neighbor Award. Riones Princess Annabelle, Enthusiastic Learner Award. Calma Rose Ann C, Friendly Neighbor Award. Kayabyab Jaisel M, Golden Heart Award. Nepomuceno Shayris Angelique C, Good Communicator Award, Brave Soul Award. Juanes Jasmine Rhea U, Batang Maasahan Award, Star Reader Award, Awesome Artist Award, Naturalist Award. Sibalon Rochelle B, Batang Maasahan Award. Kindergarten Yellow, Advisor, Fatima Monique P. Roque. Manawis Damien S, Honest Kid Award, Sporty Kid Award. Ariban Arcel Lay B, Student Worker Award. Baybayon Rians Ronald I, Student Worker Award, Self-Care Award. Cañete Mark Cyrus Q, World Weaver Award, Eager Beaver Award. Taroy This Angel M, Brave Soul Award, Sporty Kid Award. Tomas Secanaya Arman Phoenix P, Mr. Patient Award. Tubay Carlos Gabriel A, Determined Kid Award. Esguera Stephen James R, Extra Miler Award. Yalago John Chester and Brave Soul Award. Kibalyo Rick I, Good Sport Award. Mejia Mark Joshua I, Sporty Kid Award, Happy Award. Pascual Ismael C, Quantum Leap Award, Good Sport Award. Yalago Jenica Searle M, Friendly Neighbor Award. Salonga Mohana M, Happy Helper Award. Tabanao Keishel Shanli E, Kinder Leader Award, Public Speaker Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Self-Care Award. Dimakulangan Carla N, Happy Helper Award. Soriano Leona Arkina D, Task Champ Award, Star Reader Award, Awesome Artist Award. Bautista Princess Angel P, Honest Kid Award.
Amin pong unang guro, Madam Estrelita Bermudo, sa amin pong head teacher, Madam Salita Madayag,
Karaoke TV.
sa mga masisipag naming mga kinder teacher, nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa pag-antabay po nyo sa amin na buong taon ng aming pag-aaral. Sa akin pong guro na si Madam G, salamat po ng marami sa pagtsatsaga